Out doing a little maintenance. Brutus with me today. See how well he can find these. And then if he can't, I'll look for them because a couple of these are MIA. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, this shit is overgrown big time.
That's probably why they're not finding them.
Well, I mean, where's it go? It's here. You know what I mean?
Right.
How often do you get to go?
Did you put these out before this was all grown?
Oh yeah, in winter time down there. That's why. Well, what is the rating on this one? 1.5. Terrain. The terrain's on, man. Difficulty shouldn't be difficult. I mean, if it's at right here, it's going to be right here. But some of them are just devious. I know why this one's missing now. Somebody fucked this sign up, is what they did. Trying to find it.
Birdhouse.
I think this is the next one. Here's Ham.
300 feet.
The name of a ham.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I can't believe they fucked that sign up.
Is that where it's at? I'm saying 200 feet yet.
Oh, well, good. Then that means that they didn't hurt it.
Is there a cache there?
I don't know. I'm going by what your thing says. They got to be so far apart.
Right. I'm gone down to 190.
Yeah, it's by this side.
Nope.
No.
It's got to be the next one down.
Well, I don't know if that one. The one says Ham.
125. 125 feet. Be that sign right there.
And damn, it seems.
I'll look and see if I skipped one. But I thought this was the next one.
Well, we got to walk back that way regardless. So, if we did, we did.
That one back there was right on the
My corners aren't too far off. Yeah, that's probably where it's at. See how it's all cleaned up here. Ham.
10 feet, 13. I don't see no cache. It's supposed to be right around here.
Oh, it's right around here.
Do you see it?
No. Everybody's digging around this post. Oh, that's why.
It's down underneath. I got 15 feet.
15 feet?
Yep.
Well, it does say Ham.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to put a dot here. Yeah, not many people found it.
Really? I would have found that one. Because I knew by that thing being.
But 15 feet would have had you looking around a little bit still.
No, if the name of it's Ham, we would have found it.
Yeah. See, now we'll have to say I did maintenance if we go down through here and you find every one of them, they're going to know they're all there. You know what I mean?
Right.
You log these still?
I logged that last one.
No. All right.
I don't normally, but since they're yours and you're doing this, I
Are you saying out with Matt? Or out with the food man?
No, all I put was thanks for the cash.
Yeah.
Or they would know that I was here. And that they were good.
Yeah. Tell Matt.
Put it behind?
No, I just throw it down in there.
Okay. See, let me log it.
Yeah, that's a damn shame. little bit. This one ain't down in the hole.
Okay, so the next one. Between there.
Yeah, that's about the distance when you stand out here and you look. I can't see the other dot because we're lower than it, but yeah, we just go up to it where you can't see the path no more.
Right.
And it curves a little bit and goes up and then it stops.
Yeah, I missed this. The ones we got in Alabama were like real easy.
Yeah, these aren't easy, bro. Sorry I don't have a bag with me. But I'd pick that up, but I'll keep the cap. Normally I have a backpack. Put all the trash in it.
I have your backpack someplace that you gave us. And you quit geocaching.
Unless it's super badass, I don't know.
Nah, it was a real generic.
Can't be anything different. You know, this hat's all right, but it's sitting right on my ears and they're sunburnt.
It's a cool fucking hat.
Yeah, I like
Mine's
it.
more floppy, and I would rather have one like that.
They got black ones. I thought I was going to be Undertaker for a minute, but this, I mean, with what I wear, this is going to match up. I tried to look like I worked in the park.
It's so faded when I'm mold. 250.
This one's going to be a fuck.
Is it hard?
Dude, I got some here that,
It doesn't say what the terrain and stuff is.
I got some.
Plus or minus 15 feet.
Yeah, so you were right there.
Yeah.
I hear tell you, the envelope ones, those are morning glories. The envelope ones are just plain ass fucking evil. I think we have an envelope out here. So I brought some. It's just the envelope tied up.
Really?
No container.
Getting real close.
Yeah, those are a motherfucker. Bushy little tree and happy little trees. One of them that's fucked up. But no. Yeah, there's a nice little geo dig section going on here.
It says I'm plus or minus 15 and 15. Same kind of container?
Mm-hmm. I believe so.
Right here.
What somebody could have done with it.
Guess they threw it behind the fence.
Or they moved it.
Well, I'm pretty sure this is where it's at.
Well, this is where it's at. What I've experienced is people thinking that they got to put it somewhere else.
Well, yeah, that's how it's always been.
And with the dot, it makes it no mistake. You know what I mean?
Right.
Well, why would you put a dot? I want to know where it's at, damn it. When I'm riding down through here doing...
Here it is, right here.
You see it?
Yep, somebody moved it.
Yeah. We won't put that one. We'll just leave it over here. You already signed that one?
Nope.
Oh.
I was just getting ready to, so you can take that one back.
Let's say you could have signed it and I'd have just held on to it so it was already ready.
And somebody put another... That must be their thing when they find them.
Mm-hmm. Either way, I'm keeping
Ooh,
it.
that's wet.
Is it?
The baggie is, not the
Yeah,
log.
I'll put this motherfucker on one of them bigger tubes I'm getting.
This one here hasn't been found much. Oh, yeah, not too bad. 5 or 6 people.
Yeah.
We've seen fishermen haven't been up here.
No. And people ask me, why do you put such little logs in there? I said, because I'm out there quite often. I'll swap the log out. It'll get tore up. Them little baggies are fuck. Oh yeah, they sure are. I know they are. Trying to lose my ass here.
People are going to geocache go, Bruce and Jinjin, where the fuck have they been? But we found quite a few of them. We just don't log.
Yeah.
People are just dicks. They took something that we enjoyed so much and just fucked it all up.
It's gotten worse. There's a lot of things that suck about it now. But the act of actually going out and doing it's still nice.
Okay, let me log.
Whoa! I'm glad I got this up here now. Now I feel like a Mexican.
You look like one of the mountain men, what you look like.
Yeah.
You didn't have on your... Jennifer's got all kinds of those from her work, but they're bright orange.
I got a yellow one too, depending on where I want to be.
This one here's a little bit closer. I thought they had to be 500 feet away from
They are supposed to be 500 feet. How much far does that one say?
Well, we were right at 500 when we were out there. It was really close.
Well, yeah, because we moved it one bar over now.
I think that's where it was supposed to be. I think somebody else moved it.
It's possible. I forgot which one they had of that. Or, you know, God, it was standing around, people coming by. That's why that dot's going to make things better. I've even dotted the trees with dark paint, so once you get there, you know, if you're going to climb a fucking tree, let's have a little bit of assurance that this is the right tree.
I did one of those.
What is it?
It's for a sea clamp. I
there,
lost one of mine.
there you go, fuck.
What's the odds, man?
What are the odds?
Oh, I have an RX ready to pick up.
You know, I do like every 3 or 4 days, it seems like. Fucking cocksuckers.
Most of mine get sent now.
I don't.
Except for my Memphis sauce.
Well, we might get a sprink. I think we're past it. You just logged that. One of the next ones is 401. It's right across. No, then it ain't.
130 feet.
It might be then. Another sign coming up.
You and Matt did these, or you did them?
I did all these. All 11 by myself.
And people were saying some of them aren't here, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Well, there's a circle here.
That ain't me.
That's not yours?
Oh.
You see it?
No.
I think it is.
What does it say?
It says 25 feet now.
Yeah.
Mine's saying back this way.
It might be on the tree. The micro on the tree, because there's a tree here. Just a little push pin micro.
It says 7.
No, it's not on it. I see it actually.
Oh. Here I am looking for
Yeah, I think this is one people have been missing.
I'll tell you in a minute. Looks like somebody's walking over there.
I can make my mark. Yeah, there's some of them out here that need a.
This log is very small, and I need a new log.
Well, we can change it. I mean, how much is left of it? There's nothing.
There's a whole back.
Oh yeah. That's all right. I think it's gonna miss us. It's just gonna go north of us.
We talking about that right now. We might get some of that.
Yeah, that's not here yet. But by the time we get down here, we're gonna be in another part. When it hits us, and we're gonna be over that way. And then, what is see? This is sweet. I got 1.5 caches while I was out here.
Yeah, that was pretty sneaky, actually. This one here was sneaky. Because I was looking for a ground one.
Oh, that's what the thing is, dude. We've got all you seen the caches we got other than those ones with spiders and shit. I have all those caches in the field. So, in an envelope with magnets in them. Just an envelope with a magnet. Posted up on the electrical box and shit. Those ones are hard to find, dude. But the push pin that's like in the path here in the crack, that's down the way or up the way there. People, I don't think anybody's found it yet.
Point color.
I think that there's a one that ain't been found on 11 still.
Really?
Yeah.
On one of them we're doing now.
Down that way though. Look, it's in the crack like this.
Really?
One of them little push pins. Dude, those are raspberries, weren't they?
No, those are.
These ain't big yet.
Those are raspberries.
Mm-hmm. I'll be able to eat me some fucking raspberries later on. Well, I'm a fucking. It's all right. It's a natural treat. I remember when I was a kid, I used to eat them.
I did too.
Well, I didn't eat them. I just kind of chewed on them.
There's farmers that have those up. They grow those thistles and let their bees.
It's all thistles.
And let the bees do their thing, and you get thistle honey. It's the best honey you will ever get in your life.
Yeah, that's all thistles right there.
I miss doing this.
Yeah. Well, if you're walking, you might as well do it. You'll go. I'm going to take Matt to the trail from Caledonia to fucking Rockton
I'm over.
and get him the fucking 197 caches. I find it's easier to walk. I fucking walked half of it and rode half of it, I know. But
You've done it 2 or 3 times.
I know it. I gotta go do it again with Matt. I did it.
Was there anybody else with us, or was it just us 4?
It was us 4. The pack left. There wasn't some other people. It was an event. And the majority of the people were just way ahead of us. No, we were way ahead of them. I did it all within 24 hours.
And then you came back and did it with us.
Yeah. This will be
As soon
my.
as it was released, the night before you did it.
I had 70 of them done the night the first 3 were released.